Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to generate a contract in Salesforce using Docs Made Easy. If you're new to Docs Made Easy and setting up your first contract template, this walkthrough will help you get started. Let's begin by logging into Salesforce. From the app launcher, open Docs Made Easy and navigate to Document Setup. Here, click Launch Wizard and enter a button name for your contract generation process. Next, select the contract object and click Create. Once that's done, click Next and create a new document template. Now comes the important part, adding the fields you want to appear in your contract. Open Merge Field Helper and start selecting the required fields, such as contract start date, account name, billing city, company signed by, and mailing city. As you select each field, simply copy the generated merge field and paste it into the template editor. After adding all the required fields, enter a template name, upload your template file, and click Save. Continue through the setup by clicking Next until you reach the page layout configuration. Open the contract layout and add the Generate Contract button to the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Action section. Then click Quick Save to apply the changes. Now let's see it in action. Open a contract record and click the Generate Contract button. Next, click Download Template and allow the system to generate the document. So, this is how you can generate your first contract in Salesforce using Docs Made Easy. Thanks for watching.